What's the business, man? What's the damn deal? What's going on? Hey, man, it's been a while. Good to see y'all. The few that's been hanging around, sticking around, checking your boy out. My few little 160 something, man. I appreciate you, baby. Like I said, I don't ever get monetized on this thing, man. It ain't no big deal to me, baby. I work every day, and on top of that, I do it for the love of these cars, man. For everybody that's subscribed to my channel, your boy appreciate you. I dig you. Everybody that's been riding with me, you know who you are. We talk on the regular, we chop it up on the regular on IG. You know what I'm saying? And when the boys come to town, the ones that's out of town supporting, man, your dog, I'm talking about appreciate it, man. I'm one of them cats that's grateful for everything in life, man, because like I said, life is a blessing. You know, a lot of us wake up every day and don't realize, man, you got a blessing at hand. This ain't nothing God had to do, wake you up this morning, or even give you life, period. So I encourage y'all, man, wake up and thank him every day. Let him know you appreciate him, man. Keep him on your tongue. You know, let other people know how you feel about him and where you going with your life, man. Everything I do is to be, you know, positive and motivate people, man. Any little thing I say in life is never to down nobody, man. But I don't get it twisted. I'm gonna speak my mind. When I see wrong, I'm gonna talk about it, you know. But anyway, I ain't gonna babble on, man. I'm gonna just ask y'all to keep God close, love thy fellow man, and let's have a positive attitude out in this negative world already. So, on this video, man, Remy get lit. We're gonna light the thing up. We threw the lighting trends pre-built with the demon eyes. And then on top of that, I went back and I put the angry eyes across both the park light and the headlight, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did that, which it ain't too hard, man. It's just, a lot of people think as a kid, it ain't nothing but some Gorilla Tape, baby. It's across at an angle, that's it. And, you know, I seen some kids out there, but I just wasn't digging it. I ain't like how it looks, so I came up with my own thing. Yeah, dick. But anyway, we're gonna take a little ride, man. I'm finna cut a few corners, get a few sounds, you know, get a little road action. And I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Yeah.